Mastering phrasal verbs. Understanding. Put in. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of phrasal verbs, focusing specifically on put in. Phrasal verbs can seem tricky, but they are a vital part of conversational English. So, without further ado, let's get started. Phrasal verbs consist of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. When these words are combined, they usually take on a different meaning than you might expect. Today, we're focusing on put in. Put in can be used in a number of ways. Here are some of the most common usages. 1. Put in can mean to install or place something in a specific spot. For example, she put in a new light bulb in the living room. 2. It can also mean to spend a certain amount of time or effort doing work. For example, he put in a lot of hours to complete the project. 3. Additionally, put in can mean to formally request, apply, or submit something. For example, I put in an application for the new job. Understanding the use of put in is important, but real-world examples can be even more useful. Let's take a look at some sentences with put in. 1. For installation. 2. Can you put in the password for the Wi-Fi? 3. We decided to put in a new kitchen sink. 4. For time and effort. 5. She put in so much effort to get the business running. 6. I have put in a lot of hours studying for this exam. 7. For formal requests or submissions. 8. Have you put in your application for university yet? 9. I put in a complaint about the noise next door. Now that we've seen put in action, let's practice. Try to use put in a sentence of your own. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these examples in your daily conversation. Well, that's it for today's lesson on the phrasal verb, put in. I hope this video has been helpful, and you're now more comfortable with this common English phrasal verb. Remember, English is a journey, so keep practicing and stay persistent. See you in the next video.